Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our bike ride along the beautiful Waterfront Trail in Toronto, Ontario as we journey from Mimico Waterfront Park to the iconic Ontario Place. This scenic route offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, urban charm, and fascinating history, all set against the stunning backdrop of Lake Ontario. Our adventure begins at Mimico Waterfront Park, a lovely green space that has become a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike. The park offers a peaceful retreat with its walking trails, picnic areas, and beautiful views of the lake. The trail follows the shoreline of Lake Ontario, providing breathtaking views and a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Along the way, you'll pass through a variety of parks and green spaces, each offering its own unique charm and opportunities for relaxation. As we ride further, you'll notice the transition into a more urban landscape as we approach the heart of Toronto. Our journey concludes at Ontario Place, a beloved Toronto landmark that has been a staple of the city's waterfront since the 1970s. It offers a variety of attractions, including entertainment shows, exhibits, and beautiful gardens to explore. Thank you for joining us on this bike ride along the Waterfront Trail along the shore of Lake Ontario in Toronto.
Thanks for watching!